Hello, everyone out there.
What's odd is that we aren't asking ourselves these questions and that we weren't always thinking about this on such an intimate level.
What makes IxDD special is it gives us a global theme that's important to interaction designers, where the community can organize local events in a way that makes sense to them.
We're a big part of shaping the future, and if we can make a positive impact on that and help more people take part in the act of designing things, we think that we're going to make a meaningful contribution to the way that the world turns out over the next several decades.
Those who design interfaces have an opportunity to prioritize what's important, what we should be doing differently, what we should be paying attention to. Get involved in becoming a steward of your discipline.